this huge influence your social media heroes have on you. Yes, the influencers that you think have got it all. Perfect lives, flawless skin, designer bags, vacationing around the world. They keep popping up on your phone, don't they? When you scroll and scroll all day, all the time. And you know how I know? I was that girl all my life. And it didn't even take a person to be an influencer to get me trapped. Everyone I met, I thought was better than me. Because I never thought I'm good enough. Oh, she dresses so chic, she speaks so fluently, I can never talk like that, her hair is so beautiful and look at my hair, it's thinning. She has so much confidence, she has so many followers and blah 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 blah. And then I'll just sulk and sulk all day, like totally drained out of my own energy. And then I had enough. If you can relate to this, then girl, we need to talk. We're going to flip the script, okay? And go from I'm not good enough, I can never have a life like her, I have nothing special in me, to I am that woman. I am fearless, I'm confident, I'm unstoppable, I'm the full package, beauty, brains, and undeniable energy. I am so done seeing women beating themselves up just because they think they can't have a glorious queen life. Because she is so stuck in someone's Instagram reel highlights that she forgets how she can be whoever the she wants to be. I'm calling out right now. I want you to flip the script and stop letting other people make you feel like you are not enough. I want you to take back what's rightfully yours, your power, your uniqueness, and your goddamn shine. This is a reminder, you are enough, and don't you dare forget it. And now let's start with chapter number 1, the illusion of perfection. Girls, perfection is a moving target. It is not the goal. Progress is, growth is, being unapologetically you is, messy hair, bad days, tough choices, that's where the magic happens. The illusion of perfection is this unrealistic, unattainable place that it promotes an unrealistic expectation and it creates self-doubt in you. Just try this one thing, okay? See yourself from the point of view of a girl who admires you and wants your life. They think your life is that of a queen, okay? You might be a hero in somebody else's life. They want to live your life, girl. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, social media. You know, Instagram, TikTok, those influencers who seem to be living this perfect, shiny, glamorous life. Girl, don't get it twisted. What you are seeing isn't the whole story. Most of it is staged or rented, and let's be real, sometimes it's a total lie. That private jet they're posing in, rented. That gorgeous villa, Airbnb. And those flawless selfies, filters, baby. But here's the thing, no one talks about this side of it. They sell you a fantasy and they make you feel like that's the standard. Here's the kicker though, you don't need any of it to be worthy. You don't need rented jets or perfectly curated content to be the baddest, most confident woman in the room. Don't ever let someone else's highlights make you feel like you're not enough. Now let's go a little deeper. Chapter 2, the comparison trap and how you can escape it. I get it. It's hard not to compare yourself when every time you scroll, someone else is living their best life, looking flawless, achieving everything, and just slaying it. But let me drop some truth bombs for you right now. Number 1, comparison is the thief of joy. And why would you deliberately do things that steal your joy? Why? Girl, the only person you want to compare with is the girl you were yesterday. You are your only competition. This is your journey, your path, not anyone else's, and your path is shiny, it's glorious. Only you don't see it because you have dark sunglasses on, which you need to take off and take a good deep look at yourself in the mirror. You are so beautiful. You are so unique. The world needs you, okay? And now, truth bomb number 2. You can't be her because you're too busy being you. You have goals in life. You're not living life on default. Every day you're learning something new. You're leveling up, woman. You're busy turning your life around. There's absolutely no time in the world to be looking at other girls and what they're doing, or shall we say, what they're showing they are doing. Now let's get back to you, girlfriend. Brings us to truth bomb number 3. Your life is exactly as it should be right now, and it's already amazing. Girl, ever heard of the quote, the grass on the other side is always greener? It's true. You know why though? Because the people on the other side are watering their grass and you're sitting here watching them. Of course, the grass on their side is green and on your side, it's all drying up. Let me remind you, you are unique, one-of-a-kind woman with gifts and talents and value that no other influencer has, no matter how perfect their feed looks. They cannot replicate you, girl. And all this that I've just said is literally the story of my life. I've been there not very long ago, just scrolling on Instagram and YouTube and feeling like my life is a waste and I am not doing enough. And I was so done feeling like this. I wasn't doing enough just because someone else was posting a new YouTube video every week with beautiful aesthetics behind them. I started running out of my own ideas and had this intense urge to simply copy. Wouldn't it be so much easier? They have figured it out and look, they are so popular. It worked for them. So if I copy, I'll have some chance at success. And this was a sinking feeling. I was drowning myself in self-pity. And then I prayed. I really prayed deep. And this is what I do. When I pray to God as if He is my therapist. And literally, He is. And I cried my eyeballs out. After all that dirt came out, I finally saw me, this beautiful human that God created. And I was here doubting His creation. That was the time my self-doubt ended. How dare I question His creation? It was time now to turn off all comparison and then turn on my own shine. Okay, now let's get to the healing part now, okay? Chapter 3, loving them without losing ourselves. There's no need to delete social media. And there's absolutely no need to disappear for a month to discover yourself. And I'm here to show you exactly how you can do that. Just because someone else is living their best life, it doesn't mean that you can't love their content. You can follow all the influencers, watch all their videos as you wish, and admire them. And here's the kicker. Do it without losing yourself in it. There's a difference between admiration and imitation. Admiration will inspire you. Imitation will drown you in self-doubt. So here's the secret that I learned. You can love their style, their confidence, their hustle without trying to copy it all. Let them inspire you, but don't lose sight of what makes you unique. You are enough right where you are. So stop trying to be the next her, just be the next you. And these are some practical hacks that I'm going to share with you. I literally went on my Instagram feed like an auditor and I unfollowed all the accounts that were not adding any more value to who I was trying to become. And then I put in some keywords on Instagram search and I looked for content for more self-help, women empowerment, and leveling up. And those daily routine videos on YouTube, you know, what I do in my life, a day in the life of, gosh, I don't want to know what time you woke up, made your bed, went to the gym, what you ate. No way. Instead, I watched videos on the habits of a millionaire, of CEOs. Biopics on great men and women, like Oprah's interviews, Jay Shetty, Mel Robbins, Jefferson Fisher. So basically, the influencers that I was following, I've been putting them on such high pedestal, and in doing that, I was losing all objectivity. And as I shifted my feed to more meaningful, inspiring content, I was able to bring them just a notch down from that superior pedestal I had placed them on. Another good practice I've been doing is to talk to myself on camera and thinking that the reflection on the camera is my higher self, the flawless future me. And after I have told her, means me, the image in the camera, after I have told her all my problems, then I would step into this higher self of me and then give advice to myself. It's like a role play. You may say, Shom, all that is good talk, but what do I need to do? So now let's talk about some actions. Chapter number 4, how to get your shine back. When you start owning your uniqueness, everything changes. I'm talking about that unapologetic confidence where you walk into any room and you know your worth. And here's what you're gonna do right from this moment on. Number 1, you're gonna stop apologizing for who you are. If you're different, great. People remember different. If you're quirky, fabulous. And if you're loud, go louder. Start celebrating what makes you you. That messy bun, your crazy talents, the way you laugh at your own jokes, that's me by the way, own it. Don't let anyone shrink your light. Your glow is yours and it's meant to shine. So don't let anyone dim it because they are too afraid to let theirs shine. You've got one life, girl, one shot at being your unapologetic self. And trust me, no one else can do it quite like you can. So stop holding back. There's only one of you. And the world needs you, baby. It's time to stop putting anyone else on that pedestal. You are the queen of your life. That's right, I said it. Your value isn't defined by the number of your followers, the people who like you or don't like you, the fancy vacations the influencers are taking, or that perfect life. Your worth is in your essence. It's in your authentic self. So don't sit around here waiting for someone's approval. You don't need that because you are the one who defines what success looks like for you. You're the one who sets your own rules. And I'm telling you right now, that confidence, that fire, that spark you're looking for, it's been inside of you all along. And just like my all other videos, I'm going to give you some journal prompts. Hope you have a notebook and pen. You don't? Okay, I'm gonna sip some matcha here and let you go grab that notebook. Ready? Okay. And don't even try to skip this part. This is where we take this conversation from theory to action. I want you to write these questions down and as part of your journaling routine, think real deep and answer them. All the questions will be right here for you to note down. I hope you're ready with your journal and your pen. Start writing these questions down. And when you have your journaling time, I want you to think real deep and start answering these questions. Okay, so question number 1. What are 3 things about me that no one else can replicate? Think about your unique qualities, the way you think, the way you make others feel, the way you express yourself. What makes you you? And if you're struggling, then go ask a good close friend what they love the most about you. You'll be surprised at how much magic you bring to the world without you even realizing it. Your prompt number 2. What makes me feel most confident and how can I do more of it? Now, confidence isn't just about looks, okay? But hey, if you want to change the way you look to feel more confident, you go do that. It's about how you feel inside. When was the last time you felt truly powerful and unstoppable? Was it when you wore an outfit that made you feel amazing? When you crushed a goal? When you spoke up for yourself? Once you identify what fuels your confidence, make a plan to do more of it. Maybe it's starting your day with a power playlist, dressing in a way that makes you feel like a queen, or setting boundaries that protect your energy. Confidence is a habit, so build it daily. Your prompt number 3 is when I catch myself comparing, how can I flip that into gratitude for my own journey? Let's be real, comparison happens, but instead of letting it drag you down, use it as a signal to check in with yourself. When you see someone living a life you admire, ask yourself, what about this is inspiring me? Maybe it's their confidence, their hustle, or their lifestyle. Instead of thinking, why don't I have that? Shift it to, wow, this shows me what's possible for me too. Then write down 3 things you're grateful for about your own journey. Maybe it's your personal growth, the people in your life, or the progress you have already made. Gratitude is the fastest way to shift from envy to empowerment. The next time you find yourself scrolling on the phone and feel that comparison is just now creeping in, stop. Take a deep breath and remind yourself that your journey is unique. And instead of feeling bad, drop a kind comment on someone's post and then go back and write something kind about yourself in your journal. Let's just spread positivity and let's start that with you. Now, I want you to like this video if you're ready to stop comparing and start celebrating your one-of-a-kind life. Comment below with one thing that makes you unique and drop it like it's hot, because you are a queen and you deserve to shine. And share this with all your besties who need to hear this right now. Don't forget to check out my other video where I teach you how to create a vision board that really works and how you can manifest anything you want in life and be anyone that you want. Subscribe to my channel for more empowering girl boss vibes, and let's keep lifting each other up. Until next time, you got this. You keep shining, queen. Thank you for watching. Bye.